it's Jilly Q. I am trying the Shelly art technique as I've previously explained, and I've used kind of a concoction of different pigments. I've used the Little Piggy, Primary Elements, Resin art, what's the other one? Oh, I just wanted to show you. These are placemats that I get from, timber placemats that I get from Kmart in Australia. Perfect to pour on. I'm trying to hold everything here and I haven't got a... So those primary elements, who are those? Oh, the primary elements too. So there you go. They're a mixture of those, and as I just explained previous, the recipe I used in Australia, was just checking that that's level. Oh, pretty much. No, that's it. It's fine. It's good. So I've got this on my spinny thing, which I just knocked a whole black over because I spun it around and didn't have the paint further enough away from it. So yes, I was a silly Jilly. So I'm going to put the base on here using this scoop, but I think I need to get a what you call it, one that's got what you call it, a lip on it, because I can't pour that, it's hopeless. Yeah, I'm going to use my spatula to just spread this out first, just a, you know, a thin layer before I put my whole thicker layer on it. But I'm just doing this because it is so thick, it takes like years and years for it to spread with when I do it. I don't know if there's a way to it or what. Having some kitchen roll handy to wipe my swipey tool off with. I actually want to do this swipe and spin. So it's got my pigments I made yesterday with the recipe I explained previous. Oh, I tell you what, I'm not having a good day. I'm wiping this and I'm wiping more on than I wipe off. This again. So I'll put a nice big coat of paint on there. So when I spin it out, it's got plenty to let's put some of these colours on here. I had this lovely little colour. It was Colour Art Olive Vine, and I thought, oh, don't very often do green, so let's do a bit of this Olive Vine, and then the Gold Sparkle. And it really hit the mix with this crimson. This was a Primary Elements one, I think. Maybe I should be putting more on here. Not sure. You people know more because I don't do it very often. This takes a lot of time. I've got to give credit to the ladies that do this all the time, because it takes so long mixing all of your pigments and the special pouring medium for them. It really does. And I'm gonna really throw this in the mix here. Yeah, so it takes so long mixing all the ingredients that go into making the actual pouring medium. Nice. I think this one's called Comet. And I'll go back and add a bit of this because I just love this crimson. Beautiful. So I'm not sure if I've added too much, not enough or whatever, but I'm gonna I said, my cell activator is the Amsterdam Lamp Black, just with Australian Floetrol. So I think I might put it along. I might swipe with that. Or should I? I think I'm picking up. I think I might put it along my spatula and swipe out this way. I think that may be easier. So we'll give it a go. I might have this out of the camera because I can't put it down. Let me see if I can pour it on there a bit. I don't know, I seem really awkward doing this. I am a fish out of water doing this technique. Like I said, I'm a lazy artist, so don't spend all the time, so much time doing this. Okay, what about, I'll just go there. I'll try the other side. Oh. That looks lovely, but it hasn't come up so much there. Maybe I better swing it round and try swiping it again. Oh, that's better. That's better. I'm just going to wipe that back on because I hope to kind of spin it off anyway. I'm doing it all which ways. I'm not obviously keeping to a plan here. Add a bit more. All those colours, look at that. Wow, wow, wow. A bit more of the colour here. I might do a swirly thing through it before I spin it. Certainly does create, oh, look what I did, you silly Jilly. Okay, I'm going to spin it. I've got to get everything out the way. I should be getting more cells coming up in that black. Should I give it, I'm no good at doing the blow thing on these, like the Shelley art. Better leave it before I mean, I love it, but it looks like a ghost. Help me, help me. I'll just continue spinning it the same way. This is just continuing to spread that out, which is what I like. I like the spready outy stretch cells. So I think this way is called a deconstructed blue. I don't know, when you just, like I did, deconstructed it with the swirly lines and that. But that's it now, those white areas are covered, which is nice having a little bit of white, I guess. But I've got no cells there, so, but that's pretty nice. I shouldn't really do any more to that. I'll bring you down and have a look at it because it's very nice. Wow, look at this. Oh, super duper. So you really didn't need much of the colour at all. Didn't get any cells in there. If anyone can give me helping out that does the Shelly art technique, but I quite like having point of difference, that it's not absolutely all of it cells, I guess. And I love those bits that fade out on the edges. Look at that, so gorgeous. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Sound like a child, excited. Oh, colours, stunning. Certainly about pigments, you get like absolutely something else, don't you, in the colours. I think I would like to just blow one out like a chaos blow, and it doesn't matter if there's cells in it. I think the colours would be absolutely stunning. My goodness. Okay, so I'm sure the drying gods will be kind. Let's be positive. And I will give it a coat of resin and you'll see what the end result is. So my lovelies, I will say bye for now. Please take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, get some paints, get some paints. Give it a go. Give it a go. I've got so many beginners courses on my channel there. Okay, bye. All dried. Resin coat. Probably could do with another resin coat to make it really extra sparkly. But me muddling along with this Shelly art technique, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm sure I'll improve. But I'm just a beginner, just like you. It's everybody has their special forte, I guess, and this isn't mine. But I just love the results. That's placemat. So it's all resin now. Gorgeous day in Queensland. And the kangaroos are right down the very bottom of our paddock, but I can't zoom in close enough.